Hi, before I had my Verso operation, I couldn't lift my arm beyond sort of that. It sounded like a ratchet if I stretched. It had become incredibly painful. I couldn't put a phone in my back pocket. And now, pretty much there's nothing. It's normal. It's normal to what I was once upon a time.
Yes, but no.
Immediately after the operation, within about a week, I could use the arm quite easily. A bit awkward, but easily. By 3 months, I was doing almost anything I wanted to do. Not full strength, but at 10 months it's pretty much full strength. I swim, which was the easy rehab, did the exercises, and it's great.